Bulk Import PST to Office 365 in 2026. Need to bulk import PST to Office 365? Watch this easy 2026 tutorial to migrate Outlook emails, contacts, calendars, and attachments without losing data. Import PST to Office 365, Complete Guide. Step 1. Download and install Aryson PST to Office 365 Migration Tool. Step 2. Select the PST migration card and then load the required files by Select Files or Folder option. Step 3. Preview the desired emails in the Preview panel. Step 4. Select the Email Clients option and choose Office 365 from the list. Step 5. Log in to Office 365 account by modern OAuth or impersonation. Step 6. Select the required mailboxes to migrate PST to another location. Step 7. Apply the additional features and filters of the software. Step 8. Click on the Start Migration to begin the process. To download the tool, use the link given in the description. Thank you.